Good morning, class. For the review, I chose to do problem number 10. For problem number 10, it says to find the exact value of cosine inverse cosine 4 pi thirds. Now remember, for cosine inverse, we have restrictions, which is from 0 to pi. And cosine of 4 pi thirds, as you can see, 4 pi thirds is obviously greater than pi. So what we're going to do is we'll find a reference angle that's going to give us the same thing that's in our restriction. So if you remember from the chart, we have pi thirds, 2 pi thirds, and 4 pi thirds. Now what we really care about is this right here. So in order to get the reference angle, what you'll do is you'll notice that 4 pi thirds is in the third quadrant, which is cosine is negative and sine is negative. But we're not worried about sine, we're just worried about the cosine. So we need to find somewhere else where cosine is also negative. That will be in the second quadrant. And as we just established, in the second quadrant, it'll be 2 pi thirds. So we'll simply plug that in and replace 4 pi thirds with that. So your answer will be cosine inverse of cosine 2 pi thirds, which is simply 2 pi thirds.